following procedures will help you operate an InSinkErator food service disposer properly. First, let's discuss what should and shouldn't be placed into the disposer. Items that can be placed into the disposer consist of fruits, vegetables, meat, poultry, dairy products, breads and grain products, bones, and seafood. Items that should not be placed into the InSinkErator disposer consist of large amounts of stringy and fibrous materials, such as artichokes, pineapple tops, corn husks, as well as oyster shells, as these items may cause drain line clogs. It is also recommended to avoid silverware, soda cans, glass, lids, plastic wrap, latex gloves, and corrosive chemicals. Now we're ready to operate the disposer. If this is a new installation, make sure there is no construction debris in the disposer grind chamber. Do not preload the disposer with food waste prior to starting. Push the start button on the control panel to turn on the disposer and start water flowing into the disposer. Feed food waste into the disposer in a steady, continuous flow. This food waste is ground into small particles in the disposer grind chamber. The ground food waste is then transferred through the plumbing into the main sewer line and ends up at the wastewater treatment plant for processing. After all food waste is flushed away, allow the disposer to run for 30 to 60 seconds to clear itself before pushing the stop button on the control center to stop the unit. If a disposer should experience a jam, the disposer overload will trip. To free a jam, follow these steps. Turn the control off, and if equipped, turn off the disconnect switch. Reach into the disposer and remove excess material. Does the rotating shredder spin freely? If not, place the de-jamming wrench down onto the rotating shredder breaker bars, throw back and forth until the jam is freed. Then remove the jammed item. Press the disposer overload reset button. If equipped, turn on the disconnect switch and wait 30 seconds. Turn the disposer on and begin feeding food waste into the disposer. Do not use a hammer and pry bar, as this may damage the rotating shredder. In review, to ensure optimal operation of your InSinkErator food waste disposer, we recommend that you start the unit prior to loading it. Avoid batch feeding. Gradually feed food waste and allow the unit to operate between 30 to 60 seconds after the last load of food waste has been processed. Using an InSinkErator food service disposer will help you reduce labor costs, reduce waste hauling charges, increase efficiency, and improve sanitation in your kitchen. And it's good for the environment by keeping food waste out of landfills while using minimal water and electricity. Also, food waste put down the disposer can be captured as biosolids and used as fertilizer. Methane gas produced during treatment can be captured and recycled as energy. For more details on troubleshooting and operation, reference the installation manual included with your disposer. All disposers are backed by a 1-year on-site warranty on parts and labor. InSinkErator, the most trusted name in food waste management.